Guys, if you ask me for anything, I will tell you.
Give me your credit card details. Give right
What
now.
is the CVV?
999. बस 10 हो गया.
I killed my grandmother and you're like, motherfucker.
Just born babies are look damn ugly, bhai.
Yeah.
If anybody's calling a just born
Bro,
baby
he-
cute, like stop lying.
And I know it's not a Besharam episode if I don't bring up Taylor Swift. Okay,
Yeah.
I am aware. I'm very self-aware. I'm extremely self-aware at this point.
I know, like, interviews is the best place for you to lie
Flourish.
so much. Flourish, yes. But how do you flourish? By
Lying. Flourish in your lying ability.
Yes.
What do you do when you're on your 16th year of studying?
बस 1 साल पढ़ ले दिया.
इसके बाद मजे ही मजे हैं.
इसके बाद ऐश ही ऐश.
Job नहीं है ये field में.
सृष्टि
Believe yourself. Besharam, believe yourself. Hi guys, I am Zia.
I'm Sanjana.
I'm Dhritika.
I'm Srishti.
And
we are Besharam.
Guys, so I have actually, as you guys know, I'm still in college.
Yeah.
These people graduate, not you. Like, I mean, we graduated once, but this is like our second go, Srishti and me. So
When you say second go, it sounds like you failed.
no,
Yeah.
masters.
Yeah, say masters.
Yeah, second degree.
Yeah.
First one is acquired. But yeah, since I'm back in college, you know, I've noticed that I gotta miss some classes and I gotta text my professors why I'm missing those classes. What I was like wondering is what is the most creative lie that you've told and you've been successful that you've told your professor and like it has gone through?
Oh.
I have one, but my friend used this excuse like right in front of my eyes, and I thought it was really cool.
Yeah.
So my friend, actually in our college we have the 92% attendance compulsory. It's
92?
Yeah,
That's
it's
too
not
much.
75.
I would stress about
90.
attendance in our college.
my
yeah.
God.
Yeah,
And they didn't care.
They didn't care.
Yeah, so there are 9 lectures for each subject, and there are what I think 8-9 subjects in the first term, sorry. And apart from that, you have like from those 9 subjects, 9 lectures each for each subject, you can only miss 6 classes altogether.
Okay.
That's a good number.
6 classes combining all.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's not a good number.
Not each
Yeah,
subject.
Yeah,
Yeah.
fuck. Okay.
So then, of course, he had it more than 6. He had
Mhm.
some 10 absentees.
Yeah.
And I was on the equal level. I had like 8 or 9. And I spoke to the ma'am. I was like, ma'am, I forgot. If you have a medical certificate issued in Singapore, then you can get a leave.
Okay.
If you don't, then you won't get like a leave on the basis of that.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And then he was like, he just started crying in front of her, like fake tears.
Oh, love it.
He's all like, ma'am, I have arthritis. It's in my family. I have very hard time waking up in the morning. It's very difficult for me. So that's why if you notice, all the lectures I've missed are like the morning lectures. I've always
wonder why.
Yeah.
I've always
For him.
come after the first lecture. I've always been there. I'll show you my medications and everything. And then she was like, okay, do one thing. Send me your reports. And he's like, the reports are Indian, ma'am. You've said that you will only issue medical certificates from Singapore. And then she was like, oh, beta, this looks like a serious problem. How did you get it? You are this young. How do you have arthritis right now? He's like, my mom has it and my dad also has it. And before that, my mom's family also had it. So it's hereditary and it's very bad. So then she was like, okay, do one thing. Attach me the reports of your thing. And he actually has it, but that was not the reason he was waking up late. The reason was he used to go party almost every single day.
Yeah.
And then he used to sleep very late or not sleep at all. And then just like not wake up in
Yeah.
the morning.
Yeah,
Love
of
it.
course.
Yeah.
Like,
And then
So sickness is always great
yeah.
as an excuse.
and then he had reports, but those were of 2022.
Mhm.
So then he sent the reports. I don't know why that ma'am, she did not check the date or anything. She just saw that the name,
Yeah, and
arthritis, hair, diagnosed and everything. And then she granted him the fucking
That's
Love it.
stupid.
4-day
Wow.
leave.
Love it.
Wow. No, I think when it comes to like lying, I've never made such a big lie when it comes to like college or something.
Oh, I
And
have.
I've
so
always,
have I.
I
I've
have.
always done it. I'm sorry, but I've always done it to my parents. To
Why
like,
would you lie to your parents about getting out of class?
no, not class. To like go out or like to
Oh,
sneak out or
fair.
something.
I've lied in college.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, you give another friend's name and then you go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
something
Fair.
like that.
What about you? What was your big lie?
It was in my last year of degree, and I didn't go to college for like I think a week and a half straight. Like I was
Love
at
it.
home because like the portion was almost done. Like they're just repeating
Yeah.
things, and I was like, listen, मैंने lecture बैठी है, मैं वापस बार-बार यही नहीं सुन रही.
Yeah.
And you know they have this thing in our college कि तुम attendance नहीं दोगे तो तुमको फिर मैं internals के marks नहीं दूंगी वगैरह.
Correct.
I'm like तू पापा भी देंगे तेरे मतलब क्या है? And so there's one fine day I
Triggered.
showed up and we're a class of 20 people. So she knows everyone by face and she knows कि, you know
Correct.
she's not been coming for a week or whatever, and then उनके दिमाग में बात बैठ जाती है. And then I showed up to class and I'm giving my attendance and she's like, hi, where have you been? You haven't been coming to class for so long. I'm like, ma'am, I actually something fell on my right toe and it's like sort of swollen and like you can still see the bruise on my nail. So if you want me to show you, I can show you. She's like, yeah, come here, show me. And then
Yeah.
nothing happened. And then, but for some reason, luckily, like my stars were aligned. Like that finger was a little swollen that day.
Yeah.
Like I don't know
Shut
how.
up.
It was swollen that day only. And मैं गई मैम के पास और मैंने दिखाया कि आप देख लो मतलब if you want me I can like fucking torch and show it to you that it's actually swollen, it's like red and everything. And she's like, I can't see anything. I'm like, ma'am, my finger, you compare my other foot, compare that fucking finger and then you can, it's pretty obvious, you can tell my
Toe.
fingers, yeah,
Yeah.
toe.
Yeah.
And you can tell that it's like swollen.
Correct.
And then she's like, do you have a medical certificate? I'm like,
तो
why-
के लिए
bro.
कौन देगा medical certificate?
Exactly. I'm
कौन
like,
जाता है?
why would I go to a doctor for this? Like, I can just ice it and then
Correct.
it's good to go.
Correct.
And she's
Good to
like,
toe. Sorry.
And then she's like, acha, okay, go sit.
In another universe, I do imagine you like sneakily going to the washroom mid lecture.
Breaking your toe and coming back.
Yeah, exactly. Like taking the hand shower, banging it on your toe and coming back.
No.
But I have done this in sociology class as well, where and she bought it too, because I was like, I was a fest kid, big fest kid. And, you know, after I came back from the fest, like, one lecture I attended of this teacher, and she was like,
Grateful.
wow, like you were so good in this particular college fest. Like, I saw your work. Great job. Now you have to start attending. What did I do? Not attend. So she,
Love.
like, naturally, when taking my, like, final presentation for that year, she said, sorry, not taking your
happening.
presentation.
Yeah.
She's like, and then I said, ma'am, I'm really sorry. I really am. I have no excuses. But just since I've worked on it, allow me to present. And whether or not you want to give me marks is your call. And I presented and she gave.
But
Yeah.
that's
Love.
But that's not like a white lie, no? How is that a white lie?
Oh yeah, fair. But yeah, this is good. This was not a white lie. This was a truth that I told one of my final year professors, and they still thought I was a lie. It was a lie. It was when my grandfather passed away, and for a week I didn't go, and she was literally like, "Yeah, Zia, so you've not been coming to class." I'm like, "Ma'am, I texted you. I had a huge loss in my family," and she's like, "Yeah, but you're still not here."
Ooh.
And I was like, "Anna."
Bitch.
That's a
And then
low blow.
after that fact, I knew that whenever I meet any new professor, I have to have all of my grand people alive.
Yeah.
All of them are alive.
So,
Yeah.
During Ganpati, my dad was really like hell bent onto all of us going to our village to celebrate it. And I was really not interested because we had like events in college. That is actually like the fest time, right? And there were like a lot of things happening in college. So I did not want to leave lectures and go to the village. And my dad is like, "Theek hai na, nahi milega leave, so we'll apply, we'll put out an application or something." I'm like, "What will we say?" So then my dad is like, and luckily it was like a year exact post to my grandfather's death. So then my dad was like, "We'll write that there are some rituals that needs to be performed and everything."
Because in some cultures they're risky, मतलब you know
Exactly.
एक साल की बरसी पर गांव में ऐसा खाना वाना रहता है.
Exactly.
It's one thing to exploit your grandparents' death. It's another to exploit your parents' death, bro.
Ooh,
That's like
bitch.
that's
My
crazy.
dad
I
wanted
will
to-
never do that.
Yeah.
My dad wanted to celebrate Ganpati so bad.
He is like,
Damn.
let me exploit this while I have the chance. I
Yeah.
love that. So while I was thinking about lies too, like I could just recall this one Taylor Swift lyric, and I know it's not a Besharam episode if I don't bring up Taylor Swift. Okay,
Yeah.
I am
Yeah.
aware. I'm very self-aware. I'm extremely self-aware at this point. The lyric goes that I'm only a cryptic and Machiavellian because I care. So I'm only cryptic and Machiavellian. So I was like, what the hell is Machiavellian? I've heard this before. And apparently I had read it like many years ago, the Machiavellian lying theory. Okay. And the basic premise of it was Machiavelli was a prince in like the olden times, and he believed that to run an empire it was important to deceive people because he has you know certain faces to keep and
Yeah, like you can't
certain
please
people to
everybody.
please.
Yeah.
So lying was a big part of his empire, and he was very open with that. So the Machiavellian lying theory basically says that when somebody is good at lying, they're good at deception. That means that they are also able to pick out lies better.
Yeah.
A liar can catch a liar.
A liar
Yes,
can
right.
catch a liar, and
Yes.
usually humans, like the lie detecting ability for humans is lower than most animals. Yeah. So
Wow.
when somebody buys a lot of your lies, you
Mhm.
can kind of gauge that they're not that good at lying.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
If people are buying but then sometimes I also
Yeah, they're naive.
I also buy people's lies just to like keep peace. I've done that a
Yes,
lot.
yes.
Of course.
Like you know that that's bullshit, but you just
Yeah, you don't
For
want to
whatever
waste your
reason-
energy on them.
yeah, you don't want to
Exactly.
waste your energy, or you want to avoid conflict for whatever reason
Yeah.
to keep the peace. You're like,
Yeah,
okay, bro, I know you're lying, but like, fuck it, I'll let it. I'll let
I
it
know
slide."
it, you know it, let's keep it at
Yeah.
that.
I
Yeah.
actually have a friend who like lies for fun. Like he truly does.
You know, I actually love lying. Like I
Is that not like
bro, lying makes you need a certain level of skill and
Skill.
creativity
Yes,
for
agreed.
to lie.
Yes.
One is to make up a story, to make something big out of something very small, but it's also to save your previous lie.
Yes.
And you have to be extremely cautious and creative with what you
Yes.
say next, because that can lead to something much bigger.
Bro, I swear to God,
I
whenever-
enjoy it.
Same. Whenever I'm in front of my parents and they start asking me like questions, ऐसे झूठ
Right,
निकलता
bro?
है ना.
Sometimes I surprise myself.
Dude, I'm scared of myself.
I'm scared of my abilities, bro. I'm like, when my parents
Exactly.
have asked me things right as soon as I've stepped inside the house, and without even
Flinching.
without even expecting that question to come, I have an answer bang on their face.
Exactly.
Like you.
You
No.
want to test me?
and the
strict
answer is-
parents make great liars.
Yes.
absolutely.
That is set in stone, and nobody can tell
Absolutely.
me otherwise.
Yes.
Yes.
And it's not like I'm a pathological liar. It's not like I.
Yeah, because you don't have strict parents.
No, it's also because, like, not only strict parents, if I have to get out of a situation or something,
Yeah.
I will lie to get out of certain situations. Yes,
course.
but I don't lie for fun. Like, I wouldn't be like, oh, if I didn't do something, I wouldn't say I did it
I
just
did
for
it.
the fuck of it.
Fair.
But
You
what
know.
annoys me about certain people is that some people like to lie about petty things. So
That's
like
what I'm
when they're
saying.
pathological lies, I personally don't like it. Like I had a friend once who just lied for no reason. Like if she had like poha for breakfast, she would tell me she had upma.
Yeah, that's
Why?
weird. Like,
I
why would
just
you do
want-
that?
What is
That's
the
not-
purpose of it?
That's
Exactly.
What? Like you get some fun out of it. Like and then you lay in your web of lies. Like is
Exactly.
that
Is
fun?
upma cooler than fucking poha?
It's
No,
not.
it's
Poha's
not.
They are
better.
both
Poha-
bad.
Fuck off.
Ooh,
Poha is
bitch.
great. I
Poha
love
is-
poha.
Poha
Poha is beautiful.
Right.
You've not had the right kind of poha.
What
bitch.
was that comedian that made a joke on poha and upma?
What?
She has a certain way of talking. She's like, मैंने मेरा पोहा नदी में फेंक दिया, मेरे एरिया की सारी नाले मतलब नहीं मैंने नाले में फेंक दिया, मेरे
No, I
एरिया
know
की
what
सारी
you're talking
नदियाँ
about.
सूख गई.
हाँ अरे that ऐसे ना Shrija
Shrija Chaturvedi.
She's too good.
Shout
She's
out.
very good.
She's
Shout
too
out
good.
Shrija.
Yeah.
Anyway, back to lying. So, of course, we've all obviously had certain instances where we've lied to each other.
Hmm.
And
sure.
now we've established that lying is very human and part of.
Lying reminds
Yeah.
me of this dialogue from Houseful.
Mhm.
अगर झूठ बोलने से किसी का घर बचता हो तो
तो
वो
वो
झूठ
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 नहीं
नहीं
होता.
होता. और मतलब बचपन में अगर
Yeah.
बचपन में तुम्हारे में वो गुण
Yeah.
इनग्रेन हो
Ingrained
जाता है तो
है
मतलब उसमें बुराई क्या है?
कुछ बुराई नहीं है.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
बिल्कुल बुराई नहीं है उसमें. And I तो take that like I will take that motto to the grave.
Yes, for sure.
For sure.
The thing is that I was very honest as a kid, a little too honest.
Yeah.
And then
Kab?
yeah. As a kid,
कब हुआ ये?
ये कब हुआ? ये we missed this one.
and my parents were a little concerned. Like ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ही honest है अभी. मतलब I used to go and I would tell like other people that oh mama was saying that she doesn't like your sarees.
ओपे बाप रे.
Oh.
तो
Yeah,
तू
I
आग
was
लगाती
like
थी.
that.
तू आग लगाती थी. Come on, you didn't know what you were doing.
Hey, you knew what you were doing.
So she was just a drama queen. She was a
पकड़ी गई.
drama
Yeah.
maker. That's
Yeah,
all
so
she was.
then
She liked to
like-
stir the pot.
Yeah, then my parents were like, see, listen, you don't say stuff like that. Even when Adi was born for the first time, I looked at him and I
बाकी
was
कितनी
like,
बार born हुआ है?
He's so pretty.
I was like, he's so cute. He looks so nice.
Was he an ugly kid?
He was very
Bro, all
ugly,
for
bro.
all newborns
babies.
are ugly, bro.
Especially boys.
And then I
No, I feel they're just morphed.
yeah.
Like girls and boys just look the same when they're just born.
Just
And
अरे
they
just
look
born
ugly.
babies are look damn ugly भाई.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If anybody is calling a just
Bro,
born baby
he-
cute, like stop lying, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, he looked like an alien, bro. I was like,
yeah, no, actually they
I was
do.
like, he looks so cute. He looks exactly like an alien. Then my mom started crying, and then my dad made me understand that, listen, we can't do this.
Yeah, Sanjay looked like a pop plate, remember?
Dry fish.
No,
Right
you were too
fish.
cute, bro. Too cute.
You
You
saw
were
me?
not
वो नहीं
there.
देखी गई थी,
You were not
देखने.
there. Oh, they were in the same hospital.
White lie.
Close. Close in birth. Like what? How many days? 8 days?
8 days.
Wow, I never realized that. Anyway, so since we've established that, lying is part of who we
culture.
are.
Our culture.
I think we've also like been lying to each other sometimes where we're like, we don't know. So we've each surrendered one lie
Yes.
that we have, and we're gonna guess whose lie is whose.
Yes.
Yeah.
So someone from behind the cameras have gotten all of the white lies the four of us have said.
And fair context, we have been friends for forever. So there's not a lot that we don't
This-
share with each other. So this is like
Yeah.
we've really kept it.
This is like
deep.
third eye
Yeah.
opening for
Yeah.
Beshram.
Like we
Yes.
don't lie usually. Like the most pettiest thing we tell each other. So this is big.
Yes, kind of.
I'm so happy he's
This is a
treating
white
you
lie.
Bro, I
Oh
feel
my
like
god!
I'm so happy he's treating you well.
Bro,
No, she's not flinching.
I
that
feel like-
bitch.
I feel like you've said that to me.
I have.
One
ne-
minute,
I
one
will
second.
always.
What
one
does it
second.
say again?
I'm so happy he's treating you well.
I will never ever miss
my
a chance to dunk on one of your
fuck
men.
Yeah. Oh fuck.
I
yeah.
would never.
That's not you.
That's not me.
It's not you.
I'm so happy he's treating you well.
That's
I've never said that.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I've never
It's
said that.
Srushti, bro.
It's
It's
Srushti.
Srushti.
It's her.
It is Srushti for
It
sure.
is
Who is she
Srushti.
referring to? Because she has famously the worst choices.
I'm so happy he's treating you well.
Oh, I remember this.
I remember this. I remember this.
It's you, Srush.
Srush
Srush has said it to me.
But not recently.
I know when it was. I
Yeah.
remember exactly who you said referred to. I remember. You bitch.
Well, he's gone now.
He's gone now.
Yeah.
I don't want
Please,
to break
God.
your heart.
No, I knew all of y'all saw that
And
coming except for me.
For sure, for sure.
For context, we will always dunk on each other's men.
Yeah.
Yes.
Every time.
It's
Yeah.
established.
Yeah.
We've mentioned this in various episodes now, I
Yeah.
feel.
Yeah.
Yep. Can we have the
Especially
next one?
Srishti's.
Yeah.
Sanjana.
Zia.
No.
Just stop.
No, no, no.
This is
listening.
Sanjana.
1 minute.
I think it's Ritika. No.
Pretend it is.
Stop. And so who is the best listener?
Me.
Ritika.
It's you. It has to be you.
But
then.
I am bitch.
I think it's Zia.
It's not me.
Sanjana.
It's not
It's
me.
Sanjana.
I
It's
can
Sanjana.
promise
I think
you
it's Sanjana for sure.
It's you, isn't
This
it?
motherfucker did not
who?
pay attention to my story when I
Actually,
was
she
telling
doesn't
her.
pay attention
She
at all.
doesn't.
Most of the time she's like, okay.
Yeah,
And
no,
you
I'll tell
give
you.
her follow-up questions. She's lost.
She's
Yes,
lost.
I'll tell you why. Now this happens mostly with Zia. I'll tell you why.
I am so good
No.
at making it short.
No. Listen, I'll tell you why. Because first of all, the number of people that she has tea on in her college. Tell me I'm wrong, bitch.
I mean, you don't know the person, so for you to sit and pay attention, na, I listen.
So you're with
because
me, right?
I know people.
You're with
No,
me, right?
she's
No.
not. She's with me.
I'm a great listener.
No, but
Best out of all
you,
four of us.
competition नहीं चल रहा है पहली बात तो.
है.
Okay, it's not my problem that you don't have any tea to give. Like,
No,
you don't bring masala to the group.
Oh, fuck off. I've brought in a lot. I've brought a lot of masala to the group. You want
That's
now?
why you got that statement from Srishti.
तेरी भी बारी आएगी रुक बेटा रुक. But yeah, so the thing is, it's so hard to keep up.
Bang it.
It's so hard to keep up with the number of. You know what? Actually, shouldn't be saying this. Cut this the fuck out. At the party, I've put the name to so many people's faces, and I finally understood so much of the tea.
Don't cut it out.
Yeah, don't cut it out. I fucking. But when I saw the people at the party, I was like, now the dots are connecting. Okay.
No, that's fair. Actually, I have a lot of characters in my sitcom.
Yes.
Yeah.
Too
You
many
do,
fucking
you
characters.
do.
If you want to spill tea with faces.
I thought always I'm down to show.
Nah.
Print out pictures so that
Nah.
everyone has one.
Vision,
copy.
your-
vision board.
Me showing you the Instagram is not enough.
I can't remember.
That's your problem, Sanjana.
I know it is my problem. Am I blaming you?
No, but you're blaming Zia.
Shut up.
You're blaming,
I have-
you're blaming Mary Zia.
You know it. Yeah.
All right.
Okay,
So
proceeding.
next, I have a feeling next one's gonna be Ritika.
अरे बोलने तो
बोलने
दे.
तो दे.
This is my feeling.
ठीक है भाई, feel कर.
Cheated every time we played. It has to be her.
It has to be.
Zia.
Come on, it has to be
Zia.
Ritika.
No, guys, it's
Yeah.
it can be someone. It can be Srishti or me also again, right?
No. Acha, oh yeah, we have multiple.
Nah,
It's
it's
not
not
the two
me,
of
no.
us.
It's not
the
us,
two of
because
us.
we are
Srishti.
good at
We're
it.
good at
We're
it.
good,
We are
yeah.
good
Good
at
at
it.
it. We
Bro,
play.
we
We
played
never,
Wordle
I've
together.
never lied about cheating. I've always accepted that I.
How do you
Ah.
cheat?
I go on to that other website, then
It's
I
Srishti,
see.
bro.
It's
It's her.
Rushdi. It's you
Oh
for
my
sure.
God.
It's
I
not-
wouldn't lie,
Are you all
Wordle.
stupid?
So wait,
Are
you
all
do
stupid?
it.
It's her.
But you do
It's
it.
I do it, but I've
Srishti.
never lied about cheating.
Wait,
Are you
It's
mad?
Srishti, it's you.
Srishti,
Stop
I
lying.
love you.
No, it's you.
It
I've
has to
played
be
Wordle with her. I've played Wordle with her.
It's Srishti.
I'm only cryptic.
Say
and
it.
Machiavellian because I care.
You lie?
cheat every time.
You don't get Wordle?
I get Wordle, but I am also extremely competitive. So when we are racing against time and we're all doing it together, I am like on another tab on like Merriam-Webster, looking up words and trying out words.
Fuck, y'all are such bad liars. I could
The
tell in a
fuck?
I
heartbeat
always-
it was her.
I always did that. Always.
Wow, that's
Dude,
so.
Whenever we
That's not even like being competitive. That's
This
like,
is grounds to
being
end
fearful
friendship.
of losing. That's being fearful of
I
losing.
feel betrayed. इधर दर्द हो रहा है मुझे.
okay, for
छाती में.
context,
छाती तो दुख रहा है मेरा इधर.
for context, every time that we like meet together, we make sure that we do the wordle of the day together.
Yeah.
And then like it's a race against time, whoever gets it first.
First.
And yeah, I do always
We
have
also do
another tab
connections.
I
open.
can't look at her right now. Can we switch?
Yeah, dude, the fuck? I genuinely feel cheated on.
I feel
गांडू
like
मैंने बोला था तेरे को,
So
मेरा
I'm Srishti. I'm so sorry. I'm so
but
sorry.
she also cheats.
Stop
But
talking.
I've never what do you say, lie about me
But
cheating.
you've
I've always
never been
accepted.
like, I
I've-
have another tab on.
Wow,
Can't do
our
chup re.
friendship has just gotten so strong.
Yeah, so
I love
the
it.
way to cheat on Wordle is just have another tab on.
Next.
Well,
I feel cheated on.
Zia.
Zia.
Oh wait, sorry. That's a white lie. Go on. Go. Say it again.
Do what you feel like. When you saying do what you feel like, when you clearly want them to do exactly what you say.
Zia.
Zia.
it sounds like me, but it's her.
It's her.
Zia.
It's Dhritika.
It has to be her because
It's-
she has very low tolerance for bullshit.
No.
No,
It's
you
either
for sure.
Zia or no. Wait,
ए,
Zia
Zia
का
के
दो
दो
हो.
हो गए ना?
नहीं, हमारा दो हुआ है.
नहीं.
Wordle हुआ है और
Guys, you can't like who is it?
चुप रे.
Yeah, don't sit and calculate.
Yeah.
That'll
संजना
suck the fun
जिया
out
का
of it.
एक वो वर्डल वाला हुआ है. उसके पहले तेरा हुआ था.
100% it.
उसके पहले मेरा हुआ था.
it's either Dhritika or Zia.
जिया का भी हुआ
Zia
है.
for sure.
Dhritika 100%.
It's Dhritika.
It's her. Bro,
It's Ritika.
So,
It's
so a
Ritika.
lot of the times when you're like ranting and you're venting and you're having like the same problem over and over again, she's gonna be like,
अरे she said it to me 1,000
she's
times.
exactly. And
It's Ritika.
I have said it, but like I don't mean it because I will explain it to death.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna be like, fuck off, jo karna hai kar bhai.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
That's
Ritika.
that's how I know.
Yeah.
So,
And I'll over explain. I
Yeah,
don't
you
care.
will be at like,
क्यों नहीं कर रही बहन?
Yeah.
bas.
So off camera we've heard that everyone lies about being ready on time.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's a fun one.
Yeah. Oh
you
my God,
guys
this was
all suck.
One of
all
the
of
very
our second one was this.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
insane.
Yeah.
We
One
did
of
not
this
plan this, by the way.
One of our
Yeah.
crazy white lies that we say is kal samjhega.
Another white lie is that if like if three of us are there's a joke going around in the four of us, and let's say Dhritika doesn't understand.
Usually.
No. You, but I also don't understand, but I'll pretend to understand just because the joke is on Dhritika.
Yeah, and then we'll be like, आज अभी नहीं समझेगा कल
Yeah.
समझेगा तुझे.
Yeah. When in reality, Dhritika and I both have not understood it. So I out of all the lies, I definitely did not expect Zia's the Wordle thing.
The Wordle,
that
same,
was the
same,
one that
same.
betrayed me.
I,
the most.
I genuinely feel cheated on.
I'm sorry.
Like,
Yeah.
I need an ice cream treat.
She don't gaff. You gotta be more like her.
yeah.
No, मुझे ice cream treat चाहिए भाई.
Ice cream खाएगी.
I feel vindicted because I could guess it was her. Now I'm satisfied. No?
हाँ.
Baap re.
Wow.
Big words.
Big ones.
Vindictive.
She's
But,
got
uh,
big ones. No, but this is I'll have you note that this is proof that you can lie to your friends and still get away with it.
Yeah, but I
Yeah.
feel like the way we lie, like within, given that this is a female friendship,
Mhm.
I feel this is so different, of course, from how women lie in different situations and how men lie in different situations.
Oh, for
Yeah.
sure.
Like, I feel women will lie to get out of situations and men will lie to put themselves in situations.
Like to
Yes.
get like laid.
to get laid,
For
to
sure.
get someone's
Say
pants.
it. Say it, yeah.
Women will lie to get out of the pants. Men will lie to
I-
get in.
I have every man I've ever known has probably lied to a girl that they like, and they always lie. And girls are always overly honest with guys they like.
They're overly honest and they lie, bro.
What girls lie?
For sure.
Girls lie about what though?
I know that if I am speaking to someone, I will first be very very what's the word? Like very aware of what I'm saying, and I will
Yeah.
lie completely. Like I'll just not
Would
make.
you lie or would you hide certain parts of it? Like certain parts or certain
So
information
see,
to
I would
yourself?
try my best to hide certain situations, but if I'm put
Hmm.
on the spot
Hmm.
and where I have to answer,
Hmm.
I lie to just be
I mean, yeah,
safe
that's
and
fair.
stuff.
I will lie
That's
about
fine.
being inquisitive. Like a lot of the like men that I've liked in the past
Hmm.
are extremely boring people, and I have
Yeah.
to be like, and then what happened? To the point where once somebody like told me, like actually this happened multiple times where like they end up telling me their deepest darkest secret and I just have to live with it.
Yeah.
You just have, and then oh yeah, I killed my grandmother, and you're like, motherfucker.
Bro.
Yeah. Oh,
I cut somebody's hands.
Yeah, dude.
That
Like
is
imagine a
scary
guy
and
tells
crazy.
you
No, I
that.
feel like men lie in the beginning and then become honest. Women lie. Women be no wait what?
Ulta
Have you
boli
met
do,
an honest
ulta.
man?
Ulta boli do.
Women lie in the beginning and then become honest, and then men lie in the beginning and then
Take three.
Pressure's on.
yes, women lie in the beginning and then are honest,
Yeah.
and it's the opposite with men.
Say it. No. Say it. I want you to say it. Take 4, bitch.
No, and then men are honest in the beginning and then lie.
Men are honest. They're never honest. I
Like
feel
you said,
didn't-
who would say some like they say
Fair,
their
fair,
deepest
fair,
darkest
fair.
secrets in the beginning.
That's
Yeah.
true.
To get your
Oh my God,
attention.
can I also tell you one thing? So once I was talking to somebody that liked me a lot, and then I had to like kind of pretend to also like him. Okay, not pretend. I guess it was a very sticky situation. Okay,
You sort
but,
of had feelings.
I was feeling guilty. My feeling was of guilt. One feeling I had, but yeah, there was this one point where he told me like there's this one thing that I haven't told anyone ever. Okay, and I was stupid enough to buy it, and then he spilled it, and then he says, no, it's okay if you don't want to talk to me. I know, I understand. Every time I've told a girl this, and you know,
They've ended up leaving.
they've ended up leaving, and I don't blame
I wonder
you.
why.
And then I'm like, bitch, if I'm the first person that you've ever said this to, then what are these other girls that are leaving?
Yep.
Dude,
And I
never-
caught him in that lie, and then he was like, no, you don't get it. Like, I was talking about my sister, and I'm like, your sister
Yuck.
did not leave, nah?
You stupid.
Are you stupid?
Yep.
Yeah.
Because that's like, you lied, and then you tried to double down on that. And that's what, like, he used to do that a lot. Anyway.
I feel people who say that I don't lie that much
Hmm.
Are
lie the
liars.
most.
Yeah, of
And they are
course.
the pathological lies. Like, not how
Yeah.
we...
Yeah, they're like insane. Like
Yes.
that.
Yeah, like if you ask them what are you doing, they will never give you a straight answer. Or like where are you? You will never receive like
Yeah.
oh
Like,
I-
even the ones, like, I like your top. Where's it from? I don't remember where's it from. My mom got it. My sister got it.
Yeah, those
Which-
are just gatekeeping
which
bitches.
That's
That's you. I know that's
Yeah,
you.
I know.
No,
As
bro,
I looked
like,
at you.
sometimes she's honest. She's like,
With
yeah,
us, she is. Yeah, of course.
okay.
yeah.
But yeah, she gatekeeps
Yeah.
a lot.
Yeah, she
Yeah,
does.
I gatekeep. Sorry guys, but I love you guys. If you ask me for anything, I will tell you.
Give me your credit card details. Give right
What
now.
is the CVV?
999.
Basta sabroge.
No, we'll have Srishti's credit card on screen right now, back in front.
Yo.
You have to send it now. All right.
Yeah. I am also a firm believer that fake, like in the phrase "fake it till you make it," and I feel like
Yeah.
if lying can get you out of situations, it can also get you into a lot of situations.
Correct.
Yeah.
You can open a lot of doors for yourself by simply lying about your skills.
Mm-hmm.
You can, of course, sharpen them later or whatever.
Yeah.
Like,
As
who
much
cares
as
about
I
that?
hate like liars, I do believe that lying and lying well is 100% a tool.
You need it.
Yeah.
You need
Yeah,
it.
no,
You
for
need to
sure.
survive.
It's a skill, and I'll take this opportunity to point out also that a lot of the times when you're in like situations where you're like in an office where you have to get something done,
Yeah.
like say it's like a government office, or say it's a college office or something,
Right.
9 times out of 10, like the people that work there, especially if they're men, they truly love to help a damsel in distress.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
100%. And I have cried in a lot of colleges and I've always received help, but the
Yeah.
sad part is that I haven't seen any like men counterpart do the same and receive the same, because it's not the same. Like people truly see women as like weak, and
Yes.
if you can use it to your advantage, however, I would love to for it to change. But yeah, if you feel like you're in a situation where your work is not getting done and you happen to be a woman, that's a skill that you need to know.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
the smaller
Yeah.
pictures working for you, then the bigger pictures not just you. It's a lot more than you think it is.
Correct.
Bro, I've been caught by the cops so many times because I'm in the wrong way or something. And then I'm just like, मैं यहाँ पे नहीं रहती हूँ, मुझे यहाँ का कुछ नहीं पता, सॉरी, अभी अभी गाड़ी चलाना सीखी हूँ, मुंबई के रास्ते नहीं पता, मेरा नंबर प्लेट भी ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट का नहीं है, प्लीज छोड़ दो. And they're like, okay बेटा, ध्यान
So
से
this
जाना.
happens a lot with cops.
Hmm.
Cops are very like much better to women.
They will either like pester you to remove, like, you know, to vasoolify you,
yeah.
or they let you go.
Or you could just pull the आई आजारी आहे.
Love. Or like, मामा माफ करा ना मला, काका तुम्ही घरी या जेवायला.
Oh my god, what the hell?
Dude, this
Make a relation भाई, फिर sort है.
Dude,
Yeah.
this
Mama
reminded
Kaka
me.
works.
Yeah, totally. So this reminded me of one time all of us friends from university had
Oh,
gone
not
out.
us.
From my
University.
college. We had gone out to eat and we were at VKC, okay? And you guys know how it's like,
Fucked it is.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
like there's a traffic police at every signal, every corner, every turn.
Yeah.
Right.
So I had this NRI friend. He thought that it would be a great idea to get his bike and just like take a ride around the BKC because he was living in Bandra, so he got his bike. So he was sitting with one more friend of ours, and both of these guys are like roaming around BKC, and he goes in the wrong way, and while he's in the wrong way, he bumps into an Ola.
Oh shit.
And the cops like immediately come and now they are like asking him, first of all, give us your driver's license. He's like, I don't have one. And then they are like, wow, okay, give me your Aadhaar card. He's like, I don't have that either.
Oh shit.
Because I'm not an Indian resident. So then we go running, like me and one more of my friend.
You just ran away.
We go running to the cops.
Oh, okay.
And then we are like,
okay.
Kaka, please, hala Zaudya vagare. And the other friend of mine, he's a Maharashtrian, but he can't speak Marathi that well. They don't speak Marathi in his house. So then
As
he so then he wanted to go and tell them that the cops were like, okay, call your dad right now. Call him here and all and all. So then this friend of mine, he wanted to go and tell the cops that let him go, his dad is not here. Which he exactly translated into Marathi, which sounded like, sir, hela जाऊद्या, ह्याचे वडील नाही आहेत. That means, sir, इसको जाने दो, इसके पापा है ही
His
नहीं.
father is no more.
Shit.
And the cop bought it.
Fuck.
Shit.
That's
And
crazy.
then for 2 minutes, I didn't know whether I should play along with this or I should correct his
his
No, for
Yeah.
2 minutes you should be silent. That is needed because when someone pass away, you've never
I know what you're talking
mourned.
about.
Yeah, exactly. Well,
But yeah.
So yeah, but I also think that there are certain kinds of men who wouldn't lie to get into someone's pants. They would just lie to keep your heart. Like,
Yeah, man, of course.
Yeah.
There's always two sides to a coin.
yeah, like my dad. So once what happened, it was Diwali and Adi and I, we had saved up quite a bit, and then we were like, we'll give dad an Apple Watch. So then there was, I think, Apple Series 6 in the market, and you know there are two sizes, right?
Right.
There is one 42 and the other one is,
I'm not aware.
how is this wrong crowd, babe?
I'm sorry, one is smaller and one is the bigger
Yeah.
one. I am not aware. So then we got the smaller one because that was what we could afford at that time.
Yeah.
Adi and I, both of us together. So then we paid for it. We got it. We were very excited to gift it to him. We gifted it to him. And then he smiled. He was like, thank you, beta. Bahut acha laga. Ye wo. Then cut to 2 days later, we see a bigger watch on his wrist. And then we ask him what happened to that watch. And then he's like, oh, it fell down, it broke, and this and that. So I had to order a new one. And then we were like, for sure, he wanted the bigger one. he gave this and he got this one for exchange. There's no chance of him
Yeah.
breaking the watch in
Oh
2
my
days.
God.
Yeah.
So we were very disheartened, but then we understood that never to gift our dad anything. Or if you're
Yeah.
gifting him, at least like ask him what
हाँ
he
भाई
wants.
पूछ के gift
Yeah,
कर दो.
bro. After that, we started doing that. So many times my mom has gifted him so many things. He has returned it and gotten
Your
something
dad's
that he
Rachel.
likes. He is very much Rachel coded.
But
very
like,
much.
I love how like you like caught him red-handed in a lie,
Yeah.
and you know now you have a story to tell.
Yeah.
Have you guys ever found someone in a lie and it's been like, wow, you really thought you would get away with that?
Wow. No, I can't think of anything honestly. I've lied and the person has not come to know. My mom. Ooh, yeah, my mom. Like while mama's fasting for like 2 months that we have when we're fasting. So every morning na mama like does a jap in the morning, like after like at 10:30 she'll sit after thoda ghar ka kaam ho jata she'll sit to jap. And she's woken up at what 6:37 in the morning. Of course she's sleepy. And so like she's sitting on the bed like crisscross aisa mandi maar ke, and she's like her eyes are open, she's counting. And you can see her doze off. Like you can see कि मतलब झपकी आ रही है मम्मी को. And I'm like, मम्मी नीना ये तो सो जाओ, you can do it later also. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई तुमको सुबह ही करना है ये टाइम पर. You can wake up in the evening and then do it also.
Yeah.
She's like, नहीं मैं माला जप रही हूँ, मैं नींद नहीं कर रही, मैं बस आंख बंद करके बराबर से फोकस कर रही हूँ, मतलब भगवान का पिक्चर ऐसा इमेजिन कर रही हूँ और मैं एकदम दिलो दिमाग से माला जप रही हूँ. I'm like, मम्मी मैं
100%.
पागल हूँ क्या?
Bro,
But I'm like, ठीक है, if that works for you,
हाँ.
do it.
Bro, my mom
So
too. So my mom attends like these yoga classes, and they were like she used to go offline, but then after COVID, it started happening online only. So it happens every morning in our hall. I go outside, I wake up, and then there's this lady screaming like "Haath varti kara, breathe in, breathe out, inhale everything, exhale." This is all happening.
Yeah.
So then once the workout is done, she makes everyone do shavasana. You guys know what shavasana is, right?
Sleeping now.
Yeah, sleeping down. So
अरे
then
मजा बेस्ट आसन. ये मैं रोज करती हूँ.
so multiple times my mom has slept on the yoga mat, and that lady is done with her classes, and the meat is like that only.
We can make one whole episode on parents sleeping. I
Yeah.
swear because that is also one that I thought of. Was my dad is huge on go to sleep early and all of your problems will be solved. And this man,
Yes.
okay, granted he does read, you know, he reads before bed.
Oh, okay.
So that's why, you know, he doesn't sleep early. But his thing is that you don't see screens at night. Okay?
Yeah.
But
Honestly, fair point.
while he's reading, he is asleep a lot of the time. So while he's watching the TV, he's asleep. And then when you're like, Abu, go inside and sleep.
Yeah.
I'm not sleeping.
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
I'm
why?
not sleeping.
My dad
Why
does
my
the
dad
same
does
thing
that?
because, like, I'm pretty sure we've discussed this. In the afternoons, my dad is sleeping on our sofa, and of course the ritual of Tarak Mehta on the TV, and you can see, bro. Sometimes he's like sitting like this with his phone, and Aram is sleeping on the sofa, and I'm like, listen, why do you want to sleep here? Like, you know, you're clearly dozing off. The phone has fallen on your face like 5 times. Just go inside, sleep on the bed. Like, no. I'm not sleepy. I'm awake.
Why do they deny that they're
Yeah,
sleeping?
yeah. Brother, just go and sleep on the bed, which is like much more comfortable.
If you're sleeping, just say it's not a crime.
Exactly. And then
Yeah.
he'll be like, oh yeah, you know, don't use your phone in the night before sleeping.
Dude, my
he
dad
is
does
awake
that.
till 2 a.m.
Bitch, my dad is awake till 4 and 5 if he's found a very interesting TV
Show.
series or show.
Mhm.
He will
Yeah.
binge watch it.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
and then when you
my dad
confront
also.
him,
Like season 2, season 3, रुकेगा ही नहीं. वैसे ही ऑफिस जाएगा.
She's
रुकेगा ही नहीं.
passionate.
Wow.
Okay.
she's like, how dare you?
Even my dad. So like
He pays for the Netflix. Like legit.
So sometimes when I can't sleep in the night, now if I'm not sleepy and if I close my eyes, ना तो मुझे vertigo हो जाएगा. Like
तुझे
मेरे को
सांस लेने से vertigo
vertigo
होता है भाई.
Yes. इधर देख हो जाएगा मत कर. So I'm on my phone till I can till if my eyes are droopy, then I'll put my phone and I'll sleep. And dad's like, "Nahi, if you're not feeling sleepy ना, just close your eyes and like नींद आ जाएगी
Count
eventually."
to 100.
हाँ, count
आँख
to 100.
बंद
Worked,
करो,
no, that day?
नींद आ जाएगी.
And I'm like, dude, when you're not sleepy, you're on your phone. If I'm not sleepy, I'm on my phone. Like, I
Why
have a
is the
genuine
math
problem.
not mathing?
Do you have vertigo? No. I have vertigo? Yes. So whose problem is real?
Clip this and send it to him.
I've told him on his face.
Shit.
Shit.
But he's
Waited for
still,
the pod.
but
Okay.
like his rules haven't changed. It's still the same. Like if I have vertigo and if I can't sleep, I have to shut my eyes.
Really?
You know, one more white lies that I think parents say a lot is ये बस 12th तक ही पढ़ाई करनी है, उसके बाद मजे ही मजे है.
हाँ, ये तो 10th में भी हुआ था.
Yeah.
10th में भी हुआ था.
बस
12th
ये
में भी
एक
हुआ
महीना
था.
जी भर के पढ़ ले, मतलब बुक को छोड़ ही मत, फिर
I-
तू enjoy कर.
Yes.
What
I
do you do
also-
when you're on your 16th year of studying?
बस एक साल पढ़ ले जिया.
इसके बाद
फिर
मजे ही
जिंदगी
मजे
में
है.
के
मजे ही
बाद
मजे.
Ash ही ash.
Promise.
Job नहीं है ये field में.
No, but I love lying to taxi drivers or rickshaw drivers.
About what?
I've
I was
done
like,
it.
uncle, यहाँ पे चलो, because the actual place that you want to go, no one's going. So you have to give them a common landmark. And then be like, uncle, यहाँ पे, and then they fight with you. And then I'm like, uncle.
Fair, yeah.
मैंने-
I've done that. I've
मैंने
done that.
मीटर पे चल रहे हो ना?
Exactly.
Exactly. मैंने 100 बार तो मतलब टैक्सी वाले को परेल बोल के लालबाग पे उतारा है. 100 बार.
हाँ भाई.
Love it.
यार,
मैंने भी किया है.
वो
like,
इतना दूर नहीं है.
किधर
परेल
आगे
और
जाना है?
लालबाग काफी दूर है. 40 रुपए का फर्क है.
Oh,
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh,
wow.
shit.
She's talking money now.
But
Same.
you know, the only person I genuinely love lying to is myself.
100%.
You
Because
can do
you
it.
know,
I love gaslighting my own self.
Mm-hmm.
Like I love
everything is fine. Everything is fine. Everything is
Everything
My
is
life is not
fine.
falling. My life is not falling apart.
बाप रे, crazy.
सृष्टि,
Believe
yourself. बेशरम, believe yourself.
no, that is literally me every morning with tears rolling down my face. No, I sound
No,
like
no.
but
No, but that's
no,
true.
but yeah,
that has
I have
happened.
I have lied to myself to get out of bed, yes, but also to get myself into like multiple doors.
Sometimes what
Yes.
I do is that I'll tell myself, okay, if I wake up right now and I brush my teeth, I'll sleep for another 5 minutes. That's what I tell myself.
Yeah,
And then I wake up, I brush my teeth, and I'm like a little bit
Fine.
more awake.
yeah.
Because, of course.
Once you brush your teeth, you're
Yeah, bro,
You're almost
our parents
out of
were
sleep.
correct about everything.
yes.
Yeah.
You know what I hated though in school? My sister used to get woken up first, then she used to take a shower, and then I used to go and take a shower. But when I came out, she used to be napping till the time that I came out.
Bro, that was me and Adi. Same.
No.
Same. I used
My
to
So
sister
you
and I
used to
had
be the one to
turns.
nap.
Yeah, yeah.
My
Because
sister
you were
and I had
older.
turns. So like one day she'll wake up early and like have a bath, so I have extra time to sleep, and then the other day I would do the same and she would have extra time to sleep.
I
Like
love
this,
that.
and we would not skip a beat.
But
Like,
that's not
पप्पा
really
ने अगर
extra
गलती से
time.
मुझे उठा दिया तो मैं उठकर बोलूंगी पप्पा नहीं उसका टर्न है and I'll fall back to sleep. मतलब मैं ये नहीं कर रही कि उठा दिया तो मैं उठ जाती हूँ. नहीं, it's 5 minutes of sleep, but no, I'm not giving that up.
But it's like while your sister is in the washroom, that's still 5 minutes of her being like showering, and you still get the 5 minutes. You only
Exactly.
get work. So the hisab is the same.
No, and then once she's out, she's like making her hair, कपड़े पहन रही है.
I could never
XYZ.
imagine sleeping after taking a shower.
Me,
But-
oh, I have.
क्या मस्त नींद आती है.
भाई कपड़े पहन के बाल बांध कर जो सोने वाली नींद है, तुम ऐसे
I'm
सो
too proper. No, I'm not comfortably
Oh, no,
sleeping.
you didn't see us.
hit my poo.
Sorry.
एक तो
I'm not. That was a lie. I needed to do that.
एक तो मम्मी ऐसा खींच खींच के बाल बांधती है. मस्त हेड मसाज हो जाता है थोड़ा सा. And then you
For
just
sure.
want to
Yeah.
sleep, bro. But I am very harsh to myself. I don't lie to myself.
Yeah,
Genuinely.
No, no, I don't.
I am harsh
I'm
to my.
very
I'm
harsh to
trying to be. See, I understand, like, you know, all like being very understanding and soft. I like doing that to people.
You can't even say the words properly.
No, I don't want to. But when it comes to me, and I know we had this discussion
We
the other
did,
day,
yeah.
Yeah.
where Zia said that she's someone who is hard on herself.
Very.
Like she tries to push herself like that, and I am the opposite. I try to
Yeah.
be very understanding with myself, but I
Yes.
think now enough.
Because
I feel
if
like
you-
that's enough.
You cannot be that
You
understanding.
can't be that soft. You can't be that understanding. At
Yeah.
least,
And
to
we're
each
at
their
an-
own.
we're
To
at-
each their own.
We're at that age where we cannot be like
Yeah.
taking things
So
for
now
a
I
toss.
love giving my own self shit
yeah,
to harden
it's
myself up.
needed.
It's needed.
So that's like the hard truth. But then after the hard truth has happened, so after you are like, hey dude, listen, you are making a mess and you're falling apart. And then after you have that breakdown, you have to then lie to yourself to get back on track. So
Yeah.
then you
Yeah.
have to say that, no, it's fine. You are strong.
Yeah.
Like,
While
we've
you're
done
like,
this
no,
before.
while you are sobbing, you're like, no, you're
Why-
strong and you're gonna achieve everything that you have set your
Yes.
mind to, because there is no two ways about it.
Yeah.
I feel
मैं
like
उल्टा
I
बोलती
feel
हूँ.
like lying.
You will not achieve it because what like
Yeah, so for
Yeah.
me, if I'm done crying, if I've had a very bad breakdown, and then I'm just like, you cannot do shit. Prove me if you can do anything.
Oh,
And
yeah, that
is
never
when-
works.
Yeah,
on
that's how
me.
she functions. I
That's
know.
how I function.
Yeah, but I feel like
I
you know,
hate when somebody does that. To
You-
me, sorry, not
Yeah, yeah.
like if it works for you.
I feel like being hard on yourself and lying to yourself just unlocks a different version of yourself that even if other people are hard to you and what you're doing to yourself, if someone else would do it now, it wouldn't have the same impact.
It wouldn't. It wouldn't.
Yeah. So I feel like back, I would say like a couple of months ago or a couple of years ago, if this wouldn't have worked,
For sure.
what I'm doing right now to myself, what I'm trying to do to myself right now, it probably wouldn't have worked.
Definitely.
I have been harsh on myself though. Like, pehle se hi, like, I have so many like big expectations that I have to it's almost like I have to pretend to be the version of myself that I want to be, and then
To slowly
own-
achieve it.
So a lot of the people have perceived me as like a confident or like a intimidating person. I have no idea how I've manifested that for myself, because that is not how I feel on the inside. I feel extremely weak, but I have to, wake up every day and show that face, because this has taught me so much patience.
Yeah.
Because I hate crying. And then every time like I cry, I beat myself up for it. Like if I cry in front of people, I beat myself up for it because you showed weakness. And then I have to tell myself, no, that's not who you are. That's not who you want to be,
Yeah.
so that's not who you are. But I don't know if it works in the long run.
Exactly.
You know?
So
Hmm.
of course
That-
we're all just
that will
figuring it
get
out
toxic
as and
eventually.
when.
Like you will
Yeah.
stop
Y-
feeling what you have to feel if
See,
it's on the little
yeah.
naive side of
See,
emotions.
I think your body will tell you what it wants from you. You will get a very clear picture or very clear understanding of what is working to you. And if you continue being something that, like, if you continue being hard and your body is not accepting that, it
It'll
will
show.
let you know.
There'll be
Fair.
signs.
It will let you know.
Definitely. I feel like right
Thinking
now
of
we're
a
just
time if that's happened to me. Continue.
doing to survive. I feel like the next day. And whatever is working is working. If white lies are working for now, sure, I'm gonna white lie the fuck out of myself.
Yeah,
And the
totally.
biggest white lie is I only have to get through this week. And then
Oh
it's
my
another
god,
week.
yes.
And then
I
it's
don't do
another
weeks.
one.
I do
For
days.
me, it's days. Yeah,
Yeah, I
same.
do days.
Get through this day.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I do days. Like
For
even for the marathon shoot, I'm like, I'm gonna take one day as it comes,
Hmm.
because thinking about 3 days of straight filming content, it is exhausting.
No,
It
I
is
do-
exhausting to
yeah.
me personally, because I'm not the kind of a person who's
To keep on going
like,
on. Yeah.
I'm pretty much an introvert when it comes to
when it
this
comes to being an
aspect of
introvert,
it.
you're an introvert. Yeah.
and thinking about these 3 days of constant shooting 3 episodes a day, it is in the morning when I told you मुझे 3 दिन का सोच के stress आ रहा है.
Hmm.
But I'm like 3 दिन का क्यों सोचना है?
Hmm.
एक
आज के
episode,
दिन
एक
का.
episode,
One
एक
by
episode,
one.
दिन खत्म.
Yeah.
And likewise with other 2 days, and that's how you are back in that zone.
Yeah.
Mm.
Back in the
So,
game.
Basically, I wait for the weekends.
Yeah. So you live by the week then. You
Yeah.
don't live by the day.
I don't live by the day, but yeah, like I'll wait for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then again, I'm a little gloomy and
Yeah.
Sunday's the worst day of
Sunday's
the
the
week.
worst day
Like
ever.
Monday
Worst.
is so hated on for no fucking
But Sunday is the
Hmm.
real devil.
Sundays,
Yes.
honestly, so for me, like the days are really slow, but then the weeks are really fast, and then the months are really slow, and the years are really fast.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's a great observation.
10th eye
Thank
open.
you.
10th eye open. मतलब
इधर
not even
पीछे से खुल
third
गया.
भाई. 10th eye
But
open.
yeah, days are long and weeks are so short. I don't know how we're through Feb already.
Oh,
Yeah, January
yeah.
felt like the longest.
January was a
Yeah.
year old.
January
long.
was
Gross.
2 years old.
Like January was, I've lived like 4 different lives in January.
अरे बाप रे.
समझ ही नहीं आ रहा.
तेरे पास अब 5 बाकी है. A cat
She's
has
not a
9
cat.
lives.
She doesn't even like cats.
No, cat is my spirit animal. I love cats. I had a cat, Zia.
I
Simba.
thought you were just
Simba.
fostering her.
Yeah.
Him.
Yeah,
Sorry.
We were
Her or
fostering.
him. You found out later, right?
The cat
Chaddi
lied
utar.
to us.
कौन सी कलर की शर्ट?
चड्डी नहीं पहनी हो ना.
साफ दिख रहा है.
चलता है.
Yeah, so there's one thing about like lying to yourselves, which is like necessary.
Yeah.
But then there's also fun in like lying to others.
100%.
Like it's not harmful.
harmless
like
lies,
nobody-
I don't mind.
Yeah, like harmless. It's like a very छोटू lie. मतलब even if they come to know कि तुमने झूठ बोला तो मतलब
Yeah.
उनकी ego को दर्द नहीं होगा.
Yeah.
100%.
So I have this friend Dharmesh, you all know of him. So he's sort of forgetful.
Hmm.
Like उसको थोड़ा डोरी जैसा memory उसका. Like he can't remember.
He has a
certain-
memory of a
goldfish.
goldfish.
Yeah, memory
Yeah.
of a goldfish. So like sometimes I forget to like tell him certain details of like, you know, like basic like drama or whatever that's happening.
Yeah.
And then I bring it up later in a conversation and he's like, तूने मुझे कब बताया? I'm like, I told you, right? Do you not remember? And then तुमने बोला था क्या? I'm like, हाँ भाई तुझे याद नहीं रहता, मैंने तो बोला था.
Wait, so he questions his own existence?
Yeah.
You gaslight him.
Yeah.
Sort of.
Dude, you know
And
what?
then he actually buys it.
Where I love to gaslight is this just occurred to me. I have lied my way through 3 years of college fest.
I knew
and
you were going to
how,
say this.
but I just recalled that.
And
because-
how?
And okay, so there was this one college fest. It was called Inferno. Okay, I'll say it. I'll name drop, I guess. And usme this was the first time that I was kind of my college representative for the personality contest. And in the first round of this,
Mhm.
you had to kind of compete somebody else, and the whole plot was that you had to convince like the other panelists who were our competition.
Okay.
Those were
Oh.
the panelists. You had to convince them that you are saying the truth.
Okay.
Ah,
Okay, so whoever gets more votes gets voted out. Okay.
Okay.
So the word was honesty, like
Okay.
honest. And I was like, this is actually one of my first times that, I have had this stage to myself. All this while, I have had no problem with the stage. Never. And this is the first time that I've, my college has put in so much, and then I made up that story, and
Yeah.
I'm like, no, and I'm just trying to be honest. And thankfully, at that time, the judge had arrived. Okay,
Uh-huh.
the vote was split down the middle, 50-50.
Hmm.
And they were like, okay, we
Ooh.
need to break this tie.
Hmm.
So, like, I don't remember what the guy next to me said, but they had to ask the judge, and the judge felt so bad for me. She was like, no, I want her to go ahead. And then I went ahead and I won.
Love.
Oh my
fuck?
god.
I love harmless
Yeah.
lies. Like,
And then I
Big
also
fan.
lied through my rap career.
Yeah.
yes,
Well, I never wrote anything ever.
we are aware.
We are very much aware. I have gaslit. Sorry. I've gaslit my friends a lot. So if I'm having like a fight with them, I'm not talking about you guys, okay? Please, no.
We would know.
Once again, I didn't even think of that.
Yeah.
But now that she said it.
Yeah.
No. Genuinely, you will understand who I'm referring to.
Okay.
So then, when we are having like a fight or something, I'm just like
So you
Do
fight with
you-
all your friends.
So do I.
the ones that matter to me.
Real.
Hmm.
Yeah. So then, if I am fighting with my friends or something, and then they say something, and then I'm just like, do you remember? Do you realize what you said? Do you even realize it? It is very
I love
petty.
doing that.
It is
I love
very
doing
useless. Sometimes even I don't remember what the
Yeah.
fuck they've said. It's very stupid. And
Yeah.
do you even realize
Yeah.
what the fuck you said?
Yeah.
Oh my! And all this while they're like, making a valid
Yeah,
point.
Yeah.
Like
They're
a
just trying to cover
completely
up their
valid
ass
point.
for what?
No,
For
this
something
is-
that not
this
they've
is
done.
not
No,
what I
this
meant.
is his.
No,
this
Shrishti,
is
I-
her tactic.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
I got it.
And then they are like, no, Shrishti, this is not what I meant. You know, like, and then I'm like, no, don't talk to me right now. I need some time. I need to get over this.
And then you turn back and you're like,
This
I did
reminds
that,
me.
I did
This reminds me of this The Office episode, like in the first season where they're playing basketball,
yeah.
and like Michael Scott, he's like foul. I guess whoever had the more score, whoever the more,
The most score.
whoever had the most scores wins, and like he knows it's him. It's like his team,
Hmm.
and then he like does like a.
Because he's the
Foul.
he's the boss, so everyone has to listen to him.
Yeah.
That was kind of
But they
Michael
didn't ended
Scott's
up-
whole thing.
ended up listening to him.
Oh, they didn't.
They didn't end up listening
Yeah.
to him.
Speaking about bosses, I have. Y'all know that I've had my fair share of interviews.
Yeah.
And bro, it's too much fun, dude. Like I know like interviews is the best place for you to lie
Flourish.
so much. Flourish, yes, but how do you flourish? By
Lying. Flourish in your lying abilities.
Yes, true. I don't
Every
know.
interview you up a game.
Yeah, dude. Because from the,
As like
If you-
Dritika used to be an HR.
yeah, from the first interview I gave to the recent one that I gave, I have improved so much, and I
Yeah.
don't mean only in lying. Now again, that ties back to my point of when you lie, when you gaslight yourself, you just end up becoming so much better. And I feel like lying has played a huge part.
Definitely.
Like
You
it could
getting
be-
jobs.
Yeah, me getting jobs. It could be something as simple as lying about your skills to
Yeah, मुझे Excel आता है.
हाँ, that's the biggest lie.
I know
मुझे-
Excel.
तुझे XS आता है, झूठ मत बोल.
यार.
But yeah, I mean, Excel.
I know MS Word through and through भाई.
मैंने
Word.
कभी Excel यूज ही नहीं किया.
नहीं तुझे आता है.
तुझे actually
तुझे पता नहीं है, but तुझे आता है.
कल समझेगा.
I was the first person
Excel
to
तुझे
laugh.
कल समझेगा. सीखना.
100%.
You tried. You tried.
She
You
tried,
tried.
she tried.
Good.
But yeah, even like when it came to things like meetings or speaking to clients or speaking to whoever, like you don't know jack shit as a fresher.
Yeah.
But like you just gaslight yourself so much, you're
And
scared.
you're always a fan of the company.
Yeah.
yeah, of course you're
मतलब
always a fan.
कंपनी तुम छाती पे लेके घूमते हो.
Yeah, you're scared shitless before entering
Yeah.
that room.
And you've not heard of this company before you saw the LinkedIn.
You've
Job
not
opening.
heard of this. You've not heard of the
No.
people. You've
You're pretty
not
sure
heard
this is a Ponzi scheme.
This
yeah,
is my dream
but I will
company.
sell it. I will talk about this
Sell
with
it.
my whole chest.
Yeah.
But yeah,
So I've
I love
given
that.
a lot of online interviews, right? And on those online interviews, I used to sit in my room, like the room on my first floor. I used to have a guitar in the background, and almost every single time I've been asked this question: do you know how to play a guitar? I'm like, of course I do.
G-string.
G-string? What?
That's a string in the guitar.
I think it's like something sexual.
Yeah.
Yeah, tattoo.
it's a chaddi.
G-string is
That's a thong.
Chaddi.
Chaddi.
Okay, well, but what would you do if they're like, oh, this is like one of my favorite songs, can you play it?
नहीं वो अब तक सीखा नहीं मैंने.
नहीं, मैं
सारे गामा
निकालती
सीखा है बस.
निकालती थोड़ा सा ऑफ ट्यून हो गया है सर. What we can do is you can recruit me and then later one day we can decide.
Charming. I am
And I love
charming.
that.
you
Late
know
for
what
you.
you know what I just realized?
What?
I feel like one of my favorite things to do, at least this is back when I was on the apps,
Yeah.
is to fuck with men.
You
on the
just used to lie.
apps. I used to lie straight out of my teeth, bro.
Wow.
It used to be so much fun because,
There's something about annoying men.
bro, there's something about fucking lying, man, and being creative about it. I love seeing them like I don't know, there's something happen.
गांड फट जाता है.
है ना?
उनका
I don't know
गांड
why
फट
I'm so
जाता है.
passionate about this. It's been like
I love it
What is one that you it was like one of your favorites? Like
that you said.
you're like South African or something. I don't know.
No, I don't remember what exactly it was, but we were talking about something very specific about, like, I don't know if it was like about tattoos or something. Oh yeah, so this guy had like a lot of tattoos, okay, and we kept building on like, I like tattoos and all that, and then he asked me about, oh, do you have tattoos? And then I
Yeah,
explained
I
my
just cover it with concealer every day. Nobody can know. I'm all tatted up.
oh yeah, for sure.
All of
we
us
are
are like,
aware.
idhar bhi hai tattoo.
यहाँ क्या भी है, क्या लिखा है, guess करो.
No, but yeah, basically, it was that thing that we were talking about our tattoos, and I don't remember what it was, but I just remember having so much fun with that conversation and like lying to him, and then I. blocked
You
him.
said you have tattoos.
Yeah, I just
You
said I
told
had
him you had
tattoos,
it.
and like he didn't have to know the truth. But like,
what if like you really ended up liking him and you ended up meeting him? Would you pull the
And he's like-
concealer thing?
Where's the tattoo, bitch?
Yeah.
I would tell him the truth then.
I lied.
Because
Yeah.
girls are honest in the beginning.
No, guys are honest in
Guys
the
are
beginning.
honest in the
Sorry,
Yeah.
girls get
But
honest
it is
later,
subjective, why? It is subjective.
What?
What you said about girls lying, being.
Earlier, though, you were
of
on it.
course.
What?
Anyway,
No, she was
so
just-
wait, do you think that after like that Bumble or whatever thing goes ahead, do you think it's still okay to lie in like a relationship?
Nah. Nah.
Absolutely. I mean,
But what
white
if your
lies-
man has like a bad haircut?
White
of course, I'm gonna tell him
lies-
it looks good.
No, wait. If it's white lies, then for sure. Like I'll be like, oh my god, you look so hot.
Yeah.
Your
It's like
outfit is very nice. Now, for me, those are you smell
You'd
so
never,
nice.
you would never
smell
say that
good.
as a lie though.
Yeah, I would never.
I'm
say
never
that as
complimenting a
lie.
bad outfit.
If
If my man's
yeah.
wearing a bad outfit, I'm
If
saying
I have said
change.
that, that means I do not have anything left for you in my heart. If I've said that,
Baapre.
that
Said
means
what?
that your outfit looks great and I like hate it, that means
Oh.
I have
She
nothing.
just called my top
absolutely.
cute.
No, I
Are you
call
in a
your top
relationship with her?
I didn't call it cute.
I
it's,
mean-
I don't know.
it's very like a 12-year-oldish. It's fine only.
cute. Wow, we are rolling.
Oh.
Wow.
Heated fight.
No, but I feel like white lies in a relationship
White
are
lies
fine,
are
bro.
fine,
Like,
like-
if it's
I
something,
Are you
Wait.
mad at me and it's very petty and I can let it go? Then no, I'm not.
yeah. But if it
Yeah.
comes down to confrontation, then I'm of course be like, yeah, you're pissing me the fuck off.
Yeah, for
No,
sure.
I'll take like 10-15 minutes. If I get
100
like
बार पूछेगा क्या are you
नहीं।
upset? फिर तू 101 बार पे शगुन के लिए हाँ बोलेगी.
हाँ.
Ampe to I know. Ampe to I know.
No, but if it's very petty and
Yeah,
like,
dude.
then I let it go. I'm like, yeah, I'm not mad. Fuck
हाँ
it.
भाई ठीक है.
Yeah.
Speaking of relationships, though, there is this one test that used to be like really popular back in the day when we were little. I mean, 17. It was called the rice purity
Yes,
test.
I've taken that.
Why don't we just take it again? Okay.
Love. I-
Many years later.
Yeah, I remember the first time I took it.
Discuss.
The first time I took it, I just know that the score is going to be so different.
I don't remember me
Well,
taking the
my
test at all.
score is gonna
I've
be-
taken it for sure, but I
Yeah.
don't remember anything
I
about it.
also don't remember. I remember discussing it with my best friend, but like I have no no recollection.
Same.
I did it with my ex,
Baap
and
re.
I had a higher
What you
score.
both like? You both ticked like you took one test for the both of you.
No, he had.
Acha, he had his and you had yours.
Yeah, and
Okay.
my score was like lesser than his. So, then he
So,
was a little
What,
bit
what's
concerned.
like? What is the
Oh.
scoring? This thing like
So-
how are you supposed to
So
judge?
if it's less, it
Hmm.
means that you've done more bad things.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
That's right, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it's time for us to take it.
Oh, let's do it.
Go.
Let's do it.
So
Okay,
we have it
so-
pulled up on
Yeah.
our screens now.
And we're just gonna go over them one by one. Our
Bro,
answers at
what
the
the
end.
fuck is danced without leaving room for Jesus?
Meaning, like you when you like actually
Dance
you
so close.
dance very close.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kiss the non-family member.
किसी नॉन फैमिली
Kiss the
फैमिली
non-
को कौन किस कर रहा है?
Kiss the non-family member on the lips.
They've asked that question twice. मतलब like अलग-अलग category.
ये हो रहा है मतलब.
or given blue balls. The fuck is blue balls?
Blue balls are when you. So their balls are so.
Yeah.
Yes.
You
So their
edge
balls
it.
are so hard.
You make them edge and you leave them
Yeah.
like that.
guys. So है ना हम लोग गेस करेंगे सबसे ज्यादा किसका होगा सबसे कम किसका होगा.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Most is Zia's.
Most is
सबसे
yours.
ज़्यादा Zia.
I also think that.
Then it's gonna be mine.
Yeah, then
Yeah.
me, then Sarosh.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your score?
94.
70.
64.
Bitch, when did you what?
64.
60? Wait, how are you more than her?
मतलब
Ha, fair. Yes.
Yeah.
64. 2. 0. भाई तूने क्या नहीं किया?
Bestiality. Incest.
Bestiality incest छोड़ के मैंने
Threesome. orgy नहीं किया है मैं.
अरे भाई too low, man. I want to get back to this when I have a score of 0.
तकलीफ हो रहा है मुझे. धक हो रहा है.
ये स्कोर और मैं बस
Bro, 94 is like what I wish I got in school. And I didn't get that in school, and I'm still here with these people with a score of. Oh, let's bleep it.
let's
Let's
bleep it.
Guess
Guess
down
karo.
in the comments what Srushti's score was, and if you watched up until this point, give us a little emoji. That emoji where the girl or the boy is like
yes.
finger on the lips. We need that emoji. Put a bunch of them down below. If you enjoyed this episode, why don't you just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with all of the liars in your life, and
And if you're listening to us on Spotify, don't forget to give us a great 5-star rating.
And if
yeah.
you're watching our reels on Instagram, follow us. It's We Are Abeshram, and share the reels, comment good things, and yeah, that's it. Until next time.
Stay Besharam. Bye.